Hey your friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Pumpiggy from Roblox Piggy. So we're going to get started with our circle for our head in the center. So starting on the top, we're going to curve this line around and then down on the left. We're going to line this up on the top, blending that in, curving this around, and then down on the right. Closing off the circle on the bottom, starting back on the side, we're going to curve this around, arching that in towards the bottom. And then we're going to replicate this on the right, again, curving this all the way around and back through. Let's draw in our nose right in the center now. So right in the middle, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. For the nostrils, on the left and right hand side, we're going to draw in another circle. Let's move up for the eyes now. Right on the top left, we're going to draw in another circle for our left eye. And then we're going to come across on the right hand side, lining it up at the same height, and we're just going to replicate that. Now in the middle, let's draw in another circle right in the center. Let's move down for the cheeks. We're going to draw in another circle on the left and right hand side. Now let's move up for our ears. Starting on the left hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big half circle, closing that off. And we're going to come over on the right, replicating that. Now on the top corner, we're just going to curve this line over and out. Let's draw on the stem for the pumpkin coming out of the top of the head. So we're going to move on the left hand side, curving this over and through towards the right. We're going to step across, leaving a gap, arching this over and through. Let's close this off on the top now with a curved line from top to bottom. Underneath, we're going to curve this line up and over, stepping out, replicating that, making that one slightly longer. Now let's come down and draw in the dress. So on the left hand side, we're going to bring this line down, and we'll do the same on the right. Let's close this off with some curved lines here. So on the left hand side, we're going to arch this line in. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now from that point, again, we're going to arch this line through towards the center, just joining that together. Let's draw on the left arm. So we're going to start on the left hand side, curving this out, stepping down, ending that at the same height. Now for the thumb, we're going to curve this line around and back in. Let's draw on our first finger, curving this around and down, stepping down, curving this around, back in. And then again, one more time, arching this around and through on the bottom. Now from here underneath, we're going to curve this around and back in. And then closing off the palm of the hand, arching that up. Let's continue the bat as we come up now. So on the left hand side, we're going to bring this line out on a diagonal, curving that in towards the center. And then we're going to step over on the right hand side, bringing this out on a diagonal again, and then arching that back in, closing that off. Let's move over and draw on the right arm now. So on the top here, we're going to curve this line down. We're going to step in and replicate that. For the thumb, we're going to curve this line around and up. For the first finger, curving this around and in, stepping over, arching that up. And then again, one more time to close this off, blending that in towards our line on the top of the arm. Let's draw on the legs now. It's coming out in the center. We're going to draw on a small diagonal line. We'll leave a gap, coming over on the right, replicating that. Let's step across again. We're going to end that at the same height. Let's close off the shoes. So we're going to draw on a curved line from left to right. We're going to come over on the inside now, curving this through towards the bottom. Now on the bottom, we're going to curve this line out towards the side. And then from that corner, curving this around and then back down. Now on the side, let's draw on a diagonal line coming out. And that is it. That's how you draw Pumpiggy from Roblox Piggy. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.